Succession is defined almost exclusively as a governance exercise about leadership transition. Who replaces the CEO? When the transition happens? And how the board manages continuity. This definition does not account for the succession every growing enterprise faces. When the business outgrows the leadership model and organizational structure that built it, the leader and the organization must both become something they have never been. And that transformation is a succession required by the growth itself. When significant growth occurs, this condition exists at every scale. In a small business, a middle market company, or even a global multi-billion dollar organization. This succession can be initiated by the CEO, imposed by the board, or triggered by an operational failure. And the only variable is whether it occurs by design or as a consequence of a crisis. This is the succession no one talks about. Succession as reinvention.